What's up YouTube, it's the Internet Income Ninja back with another video. Today's video is going to be a job lead, and before we get into the lead, I invite you to hit that subscribe button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share. And this helps me help you get the scoop on what the latest hottest jobs are, what the latest hottest ways of earning money online are, and tried, tested, and proven ways in links in the description below, where you can earn $1,000 per day, various amounts per day, and it's all based upon you and your willingness to sit there for some hours, 2-3 hours a day, the most, set your system up, and invest another 2 hours per day checking it to make sure everything is running properly. Alright gang, so today we are going to be reviewing a job lead, and it's a senior payroll specialist for all you people who are in accounting and who love finance and statistics and all that jazz. This is for you, and it's a full-time remote position in the United States. Okay, this was posted 4 hours ago, and this is the 15th of May. So whenever you see this, apply quickly. Okay, and if you've never heard of Elastic, okay, I was doing a quick search, okay, and they were showing a bunch of job openings. All right, so they're an IT company, and they have a bunch of jobs open based on what specialty you have: engineering, field operations, IT, human resource, legal, marketing, or by country. And they have jobs in Australia, Brazil, Denmark, France, Germany, Israel, Japan, Netherlands, Singapore, United Kingdom, United States. Okay, you with me? Okay, so if you want to learn more about the company, they have a section that describes what they do. Alright, it says we're the company behind the Elastic Stack. That's Elasticsearch, Kibana, Beats, and Logstash. So I'm assuming this is Beats by Dr. Dre. Alright, from stock quotes to Twitter streams, Apache logs to WordPress blogs, we help people explore and analyze their data differently using the power of search. Alright, search is foundational to many of the experiences we have every day, but it goes deeper than we might realize. The story of search is much more than search boxes and the top 10 results. In fact, there's a good chance that many of the problems you face each day are actually search problems. And it goes on into more of what the company is about, but they are an IT company, or you could say a tech company, that does a lot of research into what customers are looking for. All right, so they're the brains behind a lot of WordPress stuff, a lot of Apache logs, behind a lot of Twitter streams, just a bunch of tech stuff. Now, you're not quite interested in all that tech jargon, or if you are, check out that page. I will leave a link to this page in the description. Okay, not this page, but the previous page that had the jobs displayed. Right, so I'll leave a link to this page that has all the job openings, and depending on where you're located or what your specialty is, you can come on here and find a job that fits you. But today we're going to be reviewing, as I said before, the senior payroll specialist position. Now they're saying, come share our enthusiasm for all things payroll. Elasticsearch is seeking skilled and experienced senior payroll specialist for our North American payroll team, US distributed. The ideal candidate is a self-starter and team player who's ready to take on new initiatives and innovations in US payroll processing. As part of our growing organization, the senior payroll specialist will use their skills to actively plan and process payrolls, maintain a high standard of quality and accuracy, You will be proactive in managing the payroll cycle schedule, able to meet payroll deadlines, and be proficient in audit and reconciliation with adherence to SOX compliance. That's SOX. Our team provides excellent internal payroll customer service by answering payroll-related employee inquiries, delivering interdepartmental reporting, and working closely and collaboratively with HR and other cross-functional departments. This position reports to the North American Payroll Manager and works a standard full-time Monday to Friday shift that includes scheduling flexibility around payroll deadlines. So here's what you'll be doing. Semi-monthly US multi-state payroll processing. Okay, so fortnightly, every 2 weeks, whatever you want to call it, semi-monthly. Scheduling and maintenance of payroll processing calendars, ensuring accuracy and timeline processing of all payrolls by managing schedule, volume, and quality of processing. Serve as liaison to payroll vendors, payroll data administration, payroll audit and reconciliation to include maintenance of tools and templates. Process a variety of documents in the employee lifecycle, verification of employment W-2s, manage timekeeping system and process timesheets for non-exempt employees, support payroll manager and team, other duties and special tasks as required. So what you'll bring along, or what they want from you in terms of qualification: an associate's degree in accounting or related field preferred, minimum of 5 years of solid end-to-end payroll processing experience at a public company, prior experience in a multi-state, high-volume, fast-paced payroll environment, working knowledge of current legislative requirements and regulations, self-motivated by opportunities to gain knowledge and improve processes, thorough understanding of payroll, tax, stock, and benefits administration, proficiency in Microsoft Excel, ability to balance multiple priorities, excellent verbal and written communication, ability to provide outstanding customer service to internal and external customers, strong attention to detail and discretion, able to work confidentially, ability to work independently and well under pressure, exceptional work ethic, organization, and time management skills. Bonus points: Workday and ADP WF experience preferred. TMF Horizon experience is a plus. Certified Payroll Profession CPP or Fundamental Payroll Certification FPC is a plus. Stock Option Plan experience is a plus. Previous implementation experience is also a plus. And you can simply hit that button to apply for the job. Okay. And if you want to check out their website, which I am going to leave a link again, here's their website with a bunch of jobs that they have available. And if you are wondering how much this role pays, a quick Google search revealed that the Bureau of Labor Statistics reports the median payroll specialist yearly salary is $43,890 as of May 2017. That's 2017. Okay, with half making less and half making more. The bottom 10% of payroll specialists make under $28,000, and the top 10% receive over $63,180 per annum. So that gives you an idea of what you can expect. Now, since this is a senior payroll specialist, it's saying that the salary in the United States is roughly $65,625 as of April 27th, 2021, but the salary range typically falls between $59,067 and $73,085. So I tend to lean to the lower side for safety, and you can discuss that. You can negotiate upwards since this is the range. You can negotiate with no less than $59,000 for this senior payroll specialist position. Okay, so that's it. Remote global work from home jobs, United States senior payroll specialist, roughly $59,000 per annum per year, USA only. Apply today. This was posted 4 hours ago. Do not let this opportunity pass you by if you are qualified. Also, check the links in the description below if you want to start your own business and be earning $1,000 per day. And go ahead and subscribe. Smash the notification bell. Like, comment, and share. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.